Hello, everyone, and welcome to our Hazard Field Trip tour. This is your captain speaking, and today we are going to be exploring 3 hazard zones across the globe. First, we'll be visiting Japan to see the effects of climate change in Tokyo. Next, we will be taking a look at volcanism in a place known as Puebla, located in southeast Mexico. And lastly, we will bring things back home to look at the effects of drought on the city of Angels here in Los Angeles. Let's get started. Here is our first hazard zone in Tokyo, Japan. For decades, climate change has been categorized as a major threat to Tokyo. Because Japan imports most of its energy, the country has a neurotic interest in tracking their energy issues. Consequently, this has affected the residents living in Japan solely due to the fact that they do not know enough about climate change. The effects of the changing climate have resulted in heavy rainfall across the southeastern region of Tokyo and causing flooding of the rivers followed by landslides. This tragic incident has resulted in 176 deaths being reported throughout the 13 different prefectures, with dozens more unaccounted for and hundreds being displaced to live in evacuation centers. Perhaps a preventative solution could be an alarm system to warn the population when to evacuate immediately. Our next destination today is Puebla, located all the way in southeast Mexico, where volcanism poses an immediate and perpetual threat. Since the mid-1990s, Mexico's Popocatépetl volcano has been one of the most populated global volcanoes. It has produced at least 3 explosive eruptions, spewing 160 emissions of ash, gas, and black smoke in the sky. This has resulted in millions of deaths and injuries and countless more missing. Since this volcano is so explosive, it has been placed under a yellow alert and is predicted to have a more serious eruption at any time. Scary stuff. Because volcanic activity can often be charted, scientists and the government should work together to come up with an evacuation plan for the local citizens. Now on to the last destination of our tour, where we will be exploring the effects of what drought can do to a densely populated city. That's right, we're going back home to Los Angeles. In 2015, a massive drought struck the city of Los Angeles, along with all surrounding areas. That same year was also one of the hottest recorded years in history. This, of course, contributed to the drought in the region, causing restaurants to stop offering complimentary water by law. With the major drought issue, wildfires were brought on by the drought and scorched the surrounding areas of Los Angeles. The state of California only received 57% of the normal rainfall, putting Los Angeles in an extremely high demand for water. Global climate change is a contributing factor to droughts occurring in California. Increased global temperatures means increased evaporation, which leads to less water available for everyone. Let this be a reminder to conserve water wherever possible. Take showers under 10 minutes. Be sure to water your lawn at night and turn off the water when you brush your teeth. That's it for our Global Hazard Tour. I hope you enjoyed yourself, and I hope to see you all again soon.